Yeah, here we have Mr. Jyotin Thakur, chairman of Hindu Temple of Tri-States, and Mr. Thakur, would you be telling us about a little bit more about the motivation behind construction of this temple?
Yeah. So the Hindu community in Westchester, for the last 40 or so years, since they're coming to America, has a dream to build a temple in Westchester. It had not happened up until now, but now finally we are building the temple, and the purpose behind that is really to pass on our culture, our tradition, our religious practices to the new generations of Indian-born children, so that we could continue to keep our traditions alive for the next generation and hopefully for their children's children as well. And so the real motivation is for that purpose.
Right, thank you. And what are the major constraints you are having right now towards the construction of this proposed temple?
So the major constraint is, first of all, twofold. One is we have to get the plans for the temple approved by the city of White Plains. So that is going on very well. There was a meeting only this afternoon. They have given us a little guidance on additional things they need, but we expect that we'll get the permission to construct. The other one, the big one, is of course financial help is always required when you're making a project like this, and so that is the constraint. We are striving very hard to collect donations and money, so that once we get the permission to build, we can continue to finish building the entire temple in one go.
So right now, what's the status like in terms of construction?
So in terms of construction, we cannot construct until we get the permit.
So you have got the land?
So we have bought the land. We are now, the plans for the temple have been submitted to the city council. Today was the meeting with the mayor and his commissioners, and we expect that by November session of their coming together, we'll get approval for the construction phase.
Okay, thank you so much, and I hope this temple is constructed soon and we all can join and have the pleasure of the Hindu temple in White Plains.
It's going to be a beautiful temple.
Yeah.
I invite everyone to join us.
Thank you so much.